Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. Today I have another mini epic I like to show you, and it is the Azog the Defiler, and this is the limited edition one. And I really like these mini epics as they are really cool. So let's open her up right out of the box. Like I said, I love these mini epics. They are really cool. And a great collectible to be collecting. They're smaller, like mini figures. Just kind of cool. There we go. And then pops up the front. Oh, let's see. There's another one around his arm. Looks at things. Yep. There we go. Whoa, careful. Always saying careful. And then, yeah, it does have a stand if I remember correctly. Yep. Good with this one. There we go. There's that one there. And this one. There we go. Perfect. And they do come with the stands. They're at the bottom of these plastic things here. There it is. There's tape. There we go. Perfect. So you can see these little stands. They go on these. These up a little bit here. Okay, and there's a bigger post and there's a smaller post. And his right leg is the bigger post. Now I like to just turn it upside down and just kind of swivel it in. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. I like Azog in the movies. He is so cool. He is Thorn's adversary throughout the whole series. And you can see his mace, and he's holding his warg in his arm in there. I love these guys. These are so cool. And his menacing face that he has. I'll show you some close-ups real quick here. And the armor that he's wearing. Very cool. And this is another mini epic in my collection that I got here. So yeah, let's show you some close-ups here, as you will see here in a moment here, because it's very cool. So let's show you here. You can see his menacing face there. All his battle scars. And here's his warg here, which is pretty cool. And his armor. Love the mace that he has in his hand. That's pretty cool. I like that. And eventually I will be getting that mace from the United Cutlery. One day here. That'd be kind of cool to get. You can see his face there. All mad. And then all the back there, pretty cool. And this is Azog the Defiler from The Hobbit. Such a cool piece, and another cool piece that I have got for my collection for the mini epic series. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of Azog the Defiler in the mini epic series. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in an upcoming video. There's lots more coming in.